Hello and welcome back to Simply Mobile. So you've been haunting the channels of YouTube trying to find the easiest way to reset your iPhone back to factory settings. I'm going to show you the simplest and easiest way to do this. Now, you will need the device's PIN to do this, but don't worry if you don't have the device's PIN, because I have made another video on how to hard reset an iPhone without a PIN, which will be linked to the end of this video. But if you have the device's PIN, maybe this is your own device and you just want a clean slate, or maybe a family member has given you their old device and they have given you the PIN. If that is the case, this is the fastest, simplest and easiest way. Simple and easy are the same thing. This is the fastest and easiest way to do it. Wait till you see this. So first of all, go into your iPhone, obviously. Go to Settings, then go to General. Then you want to slide down to Reset. Then you want to tap on Erase All Content and Settings, and then tap on Erase Now. It will then ask you for your device's PIN, so pop in your PIN. And then once you tap Erase iPhone, the reset process will begin. There you go, see, not quite as daunting as you may have thought. Quick, simple, easy. Remember, please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and if you have any other problems that you would like me to resolve, please leave it in the comments and I'd be happy to look into it for you, because that's what I do. Also, head down to the description section where you will find all kinds of links to our different social media platforms. Also, there's a link down there to a free gift. Help yourself. You're welcome. For those of you who don't have the iPhone's PIN, please watch that video, and this will tell you how to hard reset any iPhone device with no PIN. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.